I'm Anna from WTI. We have bought this super lightweight, as you can tell, shoe rack, and this is from the brand LODFHLL, and it's a 3-tier small shoe rack. My daughter needed one for her closet, small enough to fit in there, but of course enough for her shoes to fit. This is super lightweight, as you can tell. This is an alloy plastic material. You can see a little close up there. And the best part about this, not just this functionality for us to be able to set up our shoes, but the best part was that we did not need any tools to assemble this shelf. So again, this little shoe rack, it's perfect if you guys are looking for something functional for your closet, your small space. This is a perfect one. We have chosen this in the black color. And again, you guys can see them. Let's go ahead and see how it is in place once we have set up all our shoes. So there you have it, the final product. We see how the rack has been set up with the shoes in place. You can see 3 tiers right there, and all shoes placed accordingly. Let's show how easy it is to set it up. All right, so my daughter's gonna go ahead and help me. I'm gonna go ahead and hold these, and she's gonna go ahead and put in the rest of the little rods in place. And that's super easy. All right, there we go. And there you have it, perfectly in place, our shoe rack. So you saw it in place, you saw how the shoes fit nicely. So if you, again, looking for something lightweight, something easy to assemble, this is a product for you. All right, so that is my point of view.